Kaldero, blanket, mat, personal necessity, as in wala gyud. Ito, this is the only one I got. Totally wash out. Much better sa uban kay partially lang, the house remain. So, when they go back sa ilang house, napa sila makuha nga ako wala. Wala jud, na wash out jud yung house. So, wagin hebilin. Back to zero. Zero din yan.
Sige, hindi.
Thank you so much.
Lugar diri sa barangay Dumlog nga usa sa naigo sa upong sa atop ang tubig dinhing lugar ug ang mga tao tungtong na lang sa atop kay tungod sa tubig ni Silo nalapaw na sa tao ang gitason sa tubig diring kapita. Sumao ni ang resulta nga pirti ng lapuka sa lugar, mga sakyanan, mga kahoy nga putol.
9月30日の地震、マグニチュード6.9、そっから何日後だったかな、10日後ぐらいとかでもまだ6超えるレベルの余震とかが。現地の方はどんな様子だったんですか？今一番聞く、ある意味一番抱えてる問題というか、トラウマ、夜に起きた地震だったので、寝てる時に本当にこの世の終わりだみたいなことにみんなパニックになったみたいで、だから実際揺れてなくてももう家の中入ると揺れてる気がしてきちゃうっていうような状態、精神状態みたいで、過ぎ去ったから立てようと思ったらまた今日金曜日で日曜日に次の台風来るって言ってて、20どころか30、北の方はさっきの話でいう水はけがある程度あったから台風一過っていうのは大変だったけど、氾濫洪水っていう大変さはなかったので、それが起きてしまってる方に今日はまず現地調査して。
Kanan ang ating assessment. Again, pwede mo na mo dalhon gyapon tas kay one of the
Their job is really quick.
Yeah.
Urgent needs とかももう村のさらにその小さな村ごとに調査がされてますよ。行政の仕事の速さに結構。
だいぶまとまってますね。
4日の写真が。避難所とか行ってみてちょっと様子がわかるって感じですかね。
What do you call the other medicine for depress?
Yeah, the doxycycline. The only available rooms. 9 on the other side. I think that's 7.
We've been just hit with typhoon Tino because we have the scarcity of potable water. And we'll also be needing some hygiene kits like this one. We're gonna be needing some placemats because they're just using cartoons, and then some of the kids were already having fever, cough. So that's why we're doing the medical checkup right now, and then tomorrow we're gonna doing the adult checkup for the adults. And hopefully we can give the maintenance medication, because most of the person that we're here, they're also the victim of the flash flood, so they don't have their homes. So we're expecting that they don't have their maintenance medication with them. So that's why we're trying to provide tomorrow for the medical checkup for the adult.
Hopefully we can come back with some.
Yeah, I can show you our adult medicines, because we already purchased it. We only have one box.
明日のこの辺り全域の、成人のヘルスチェックアップのための薬がこれしかないので全然足りてないんだ。全然足りてない。
Paris minggu serta kamblong. Sangkam saya juga.
奥様がお医者様で、ヘルスセンターを作っているけど、薬はすごい不足していて、でここが全部ヘルスチェックセンター並んでる様子。薬のを入れるシーンみたいなのはちょっと検討できるかもしれないっていう感じですね。明日届けるなら薬の調達をプライオリティにして大丈夫ですよね。避難所で、薬の調達かな。
これからは薬の調達。
Yes。行きましょう。ちょっと
都市部に。
都市部に。佐賀市内のいくつか見て、何をいくつみたいなちょっと細かい。
Okay, so currently this is the typhoon. It has landfall already last. It's like around 100 something kilometers somewhere near. And yeah, we are here. But the problem with that much wind, with this big of a typhoon, is the rain is just so much. It will bring so much water in.